Hey guys, I'm Brittany Rivers and welcome to my channel. So today I'm coming at you all with an unboxing and install of this 26-inch full 13x6 deep wave wig from Cheetah Beauty Hair. And Cheetah Beauty actually reached out to me and asked me to try this wig for you all. And guys, look how thick she is. She is everything. And that length, the length is all there. I am obsessed. Cheetah Beauty always comes through, you guys. But we are going to go ahead and get into this video. But before we do, I'm going to ask that you all remember to like, comment, subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at Madam Brittany, and let's get into this video. Okay, so here we have this wig from Cheetah Beauty. Let's go ahead and get into it. I peeked inside just a little bit, but okay, let's see what it's giving. So we're gonna put the wig to the side for a second and look at what's actually in here. So you have a bonnet, lashes. Ooh, I actually might wear these lashes. Those are a nice, decent pair of lashes. You have an edge brush, headband so you can melt that lace, and a wig cap and a flyer with their socials on it. Bam, bam, bam. Let's get into this wig. So this is a 26-inch wig. Yes, I'm excited, you guys. Let's see what it's giving. Hopefully it's cutesy. Hopefully it gives a little bit. But I feel like Cheetah Beauty always has like a really nice quality hair. So, ooh, I like this curl pattern. The curl pattern is kind of eating. Let me show y'all. Let me show y'all what it's looking like. So here it is. Like, look at those curls. You can see it up close. Like, oh my goodness, these are so pretty. And it's like semi-loose to where it's not just gonna be like super big. Like, this is the type of curl I like. And guys, it's so soft. Like, really get into this hair. Like, look at how beautiful the quality is. Like, Cheetah Beauty actually comes through with that. So the hairline does need a little plucking, but it looks good. Like, that's a nice full hairline. And let's actually take out this paper so we can see the inside of the wig. And you get a full 13x6. So this wig has a lot of parting space. But we are going to go ahead and get into this install and see what she's really given. I think we might even do like a cute little updo. I don't know. This is cute though. Like, it's thick all the way to the ends. Like, immediately, yes, I'm obsessed. Okay guys, so we are going to go ahead and put this baby on. Oh, I exposed my true hairline. We're about to put this wig on real quick and see what she's giving. Like, my forehead is so big. Okay, I feel like, oh my goodness, this is really pretty. Like, this curl pattern is absolutely everything. So we're gonna do a quick and easy install. Like, look at this. Hold on, let me bring it over here so y'all can see the true beauty of this curl. So I just put a slit right here, then I put a slit right here, and then we're gonna cut off all this excess lace over here. Okay, so I'm just taking this eyebrow razor and cutting off all of this lace on both sides and in the middle. This is gonna make the wig super easy to install. And then we're gonna cut off the lace in the middle. Bam, bam, bam. Nice and easy. And I'm gonna do 3 layers of lace spray for this wig. Like, this is cutesy. Okay. 3 layers. Okay, that's layer 1. Let's do layer 2. Okay, and finally, layer 3. And we're actually gonna put the lace where we want it to lay during this layer before we blow dry. So bam, just about right there. That's probably good. That's good, bam. And I'm just gonna touch up any spots where I feel like the lace is coming up just a little bit. we gotta free the ears too. Let me put a little slit over here in the lace so I can make sure I can bring my ear out. Bam. I'm just gonna hit the lace with just a little bit of makeup, and then we're just gonna let that lace melt for a little bit. So let's go ahead and use this Cheetah Beauty wrap they gave us. They were so kind to give us. Bam. And now we can actually shape the hair and do what kind of style we want to do. We might do a side part. I think a side part might eat today. Okay, we're just going to go with the cutesy little side part. So hold on, let me take this headband off. It's been melting for a little bit. So let's see. We might do a little more plucking, but nowadays it's like, I want to make sure I don't over pluck my wigs, because I think it's really good when you just don't over pluck them. It helps them last even longer. So let me add a little bit extra makeup to the hairline. Bam, bam, bam. Okay. Now let's do this side part. And I think when I do have a side part, I like to add a little baby hair, even though I haven't been adding as much baby hair as usual. But yeah, I do like to add just a little bit of baby hair. It's always, I gotta do like the nice C curvy part, because that's the best side part to me. When it's a little bit curvy, ooh, it eats every time. So let's try it. Now I'm just gonna put some slick stick on so we can keep this hair where we want it to be and we don't lose our part. So bam. And then you just got a hot comb over it. Okay, and now I'm just gonna add a little bit of makeup to the part to make the part really, really pop. Bam, you see the difference? Now it's popping. Now I'm just gonna hit this hair with a little bit of excess water to bring some of those curls back. And guys, the curls look so good. It's so pretty. Hold on, let me bring this camera down. Like, why is it so high up? But the curls look so pretty right now. Oh, it's so cutesy. And I'm gonna add that baby hair. But of course, you don't have to add the baby hair. It still looks super cute without it. But I'm gonna add just a little bit of swoopsies over there. Or swoop-de-doo. Something like that over there. Just so it can eat. We're just gonna add a little bit of baby hair. Right here. And I feel like that also elongates the part and really makes the part look curvy when you add a little baby hair like that. And I'm using a little bit of mousse to slick our baby hair down. So right here, just a little mousse. I know I used to be a gel girly for my edges, but now I do prefer just a little mousse because you don't want them to just be glued to your forehead or something. Like, you still want it to be cutesy and kind of movable. Like, the baby hairs are kind of like effortless when it's more mousse opposed to gel. And bam, you guys, that is really it. This wig is absolutely gorgeous. This curl pattern is everything. Cheetah Beauty, you absolutely ate that. Like, look at this. And the length. Oh, the length is all there, honey. You get all 26 inches 100%. Like, Cheetah Beauty absolutely comes through every time. But of course, I'm going to link this wig in the description box. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Remember to like, comment, subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at Madam Brittany. And thank you all so much for watching. Bye.